Hey friends, if you wish to clear most recently used list or MRU list in Windows 10, Office, Internet Explorer, or literally any application on the system, then please watch this video. And I am not referring to deleting the lists on Windows Explorer alone, or let's say on Microsoft Office. If I click on file, I see all recent documents here. No, I don't want to delete it on these alone. I wanted to delete for each and every application on my system. For example, if I open VLC, I don't want anyone to know what all videos I watched. If I open, let's say, Windows Media Player, I don't want people to know what I opened. I can purge the list individually, but I wish to purge it for all websites at once. In that case, I can perform a registry level fix. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and click on registry editor to open the registry editor window. Go to HKey current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, Explorer, and run MRU in the left pane. Okay. In the right pane, we have a lot of entries. Select all of these except for default. Hit the delete key and then click on yes, and all of this history is done. Obviously you will have to restart your computer first. It will still show it. You will have to reboot your system, and then all of these most recently used lists across Windows will be gone. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.